It's a beautiful day to be out on the water, for a swim or for jet ski. With only a slight breeze and perfectly clear visibility for takeoff, we start this flight at the public boat ramp on the north end of Combate Beach in Cabo Rojo, Puerto Rico. It's just a short flight to the rocky northern point of Combate. Let's take a closer look as we fly south over the next mile of soft sand beach of Playa El Combate. Everywhere we look, it's absolutely perfect conditions for jet skis, stand-up paddleboards, and simply relaxing in the ocean. Annie's Place is a great spot to enjoy food and beverage with this spectacular view. The buoy line indicates the calm, shallow waters, perfect for swimming away from the motorized boats. Another option is to walk or bike along the trail just past the tree line parallel to the beach on the left. Just further south, way in the distance, is the pier of Puerto Angelino. It is a perfect morning for throwing a ball with friends, swimming, and building sandcastles. The entire beach is open to the public, if you can find parking. Weekdays and mornings, there's plenty of parking options. Weekends and holidays require a bit more planning, so arrive early or stay in one of the nearby properties that's within walking distance. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos from Jen There, Done That in Puerto Rico, the Caribbean, and beyond.